Hey guys, Jason here for Chart Guys. I hope you enjoyed that EQ daily break. We got that probably within an hour of posting yesterday's video, and we saw a break to 1429.97 shooting star candlestick. And as we talked about in that video, the RSI in the hourly time frame was already overbought. So when you get up to these breakout conditions and your hourly RSI is overbought, or you're overbought in multiple time frames, the bulls just don't have the energy and the momentum to continue that move to the upside. It's great that they were able to break through finally, but it's like running a marathon and then being asked to run a 100-meter sprint. You just don't have the energy reserves to make that sort of move. You have to wait until you've calmed down, your heart rate's decreased, and you're ready to run another race. And that's exactly what we saw happen here. We saw that 1427 wall get smashed through. We saw the bulls consolidate, lower that hourly RSI, and then make another sprint. And here's that RSI. So overbought, we break, great, consolidate, we cool off, nice hourly 15-minute downtrend, multiple time frames. We'll get into what happened on the 15 and 5 in a minute, but then we saw that move break out, and we see the bulls just absolutely rampage again, smash 1437, 1439, currently backtesting that area now as an area of support. So what exactly happened here? Well, we know that we broke 1429, so we are hedging our bets rather, that the bulls are going to continue to the upside. We broke that daily EQ, and a significant level has been crossed. So we tilt the move in the favor of the bulls when we're able to break a daily EQ to the bull side. But as we just talked about, hourly RSI was overbought. So we go to the 15-minute time frame. We can see that rejection coming into play. We get a lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high. A lot of indecision, but generally trending down. Okay, so we're setting consistently, well, not consistently, but we're setting a lot of lower lows and lower highs here, and we can see that we are moving slowly down. Finally, 5-minute time frame, a little bit more clarity here. We can see that this back and forth movement, volume starting to slow down, starts to pick up. Finally, we get this big dump to 14.14.59, volume climax. All of the bears empty their hands. Bulls are there to purchase everything that's available. Now they start to climb up. 14.19, we get a higher low, higher high, and ultimately the break of 14.23 is when things really start to pick up for the bulls. We see that they were able to have that move with significance. We get consistent higher highs, higher lows on the 5-minute time frame, peaking out at 14.29, having broken through again that 14.27. Back test that area as support. So we see that holding over here, now holding over here. Finally getting another big breakout, and then that move really coming in. So things are looking pretty good for the bulls right now. Daily time frame, there's that nice breakout from the EQ, and what we're going to do now is essentially wipe that EQ off the map. It's old news. We're not going to worry about it too much. We want to see what's going to happen here on this hourly pattern. We're in new territory. We have experienced price discovery. Now we need to see what sort of consolidation pattern we get up to now. Let's go take a look at the weekly time frame to try and find areas of resistance. Way over here, I see a little bit. We've probably talked about it in other videos. In fact, I'm sure we have. Here's our resistance, 1488.16. That's going to be your next major resistance on the weekly and the daily time frame. So quite a significant move left to be made. We need to see these hourly bulls consolidate, decide what they're going to do in this new area, and we'll see if we can get a slow and steady march in the upside continuation for a continued breakout of this fantastic monthly equilibrium that we've been following. Now's the time for the next leg. Exciting stuff. Thanks.